it's Brinda here from Kathmandu, Nepal. As you know, my name is Brinda. I have few hobbies to tell you guys. So let's start it. My first hobby is reading novels. I am addicted and obsessed with reading novels. It's been maybe 4 months that I've started reading novels, and till now I've read more than 10 novel books. And recently I'm reading The Lady Was Alone, and that is a really good book to read. So you can even read that, and that's more about braveness, low motivating yourself, and all etc. and etc. And then besides that, I even love doing sketches a lot, and likewise I even loved gardening, and yeah. So moving to my favorites, my favorite color is black, white, and red and yellow. Yeah. My favorite fruit is actually apricots, lychees, and mangoes. My favorite game is badminton and hide and seek. And my favorite food is sushis. I love sushis. So yeah. And so let's move to the most important point, introducing my father. So let's start it. My father is actually a lecturer here in a campus of Kathmandu. He has written a couple of books, both in English, but he's not used to speak English while teaching. He usually talks in Nepali while teaching to his students also. So not used to speak English that much. So he gets frequently stuck while speaking in English. So nowadays he's making a lot of progress in English. That is why, because of the reason why is he's attending a section with IG spoken English, so English spoken, and he and I've been talked to IG sir. He's like a magic wand. He's so motivating and caring. And I wish I could even have classes with him, so I make a humble request for him to help me out. Thank you, lovely people, for watching this video. Take care of yourselves and other people around you. Stay home and stay safe. Wash your hands, and bye.